Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Ninja perk. This essential ability is designed to make your character move almost silently, giving you a significant tactical advantage. By equipping Ninja, you can effectively sneak up on opponents, bypass enemy defenses, and execute surprise attacks without being easily heard. It's a crucial game changer for players who prefer a stealthy approach to combat. To acquire the Ninja perk, the primary method involves advancing your player rank through consistent gameplay. In certain game iterations, you might need to complete a series of daily challenges, often 5 of them, found within the Armory Unlocks menu. These challenges can usually be completed across various game modes, such as multiplayer or cooperative missions. Always consult your game's progression system for precise details. After successfully unlocking the Ninja perk, you must equip it within your custom loadout. Navigate to your class setup and select the perk from the available options. Depending on the specific game, it might be a standard perk slot or a specialized gear item, such as a vest. Always ensure it is actively selected before entering a match to fully benefit from its silent movement capabilities. To truly master stealth with the Ninja perk, pair it with suppressed weapons to eliminate muzzle flash and sound. This combination makes you virtually undetectable. Utilize your silent movement to flank enemy positions, secure objectives, or execute strategic maneuvers. Remember to minimize vocal callouts and avoid actions that might still reveal your presence, ensuring you remain a silent, deadly force on the battlefield.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.